Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy Steam games with Amazon gift card. So first you need to go on to the Amazon and here you need to search for Steam gift card digital code. Click on that and you can see different here you can see the Roblox and here is the Steam that you simply need to select digital code and then you need to complete the transaction. So once you here you can see that that is currently unavailable, but you can find easily here the available items that you can buy. And once you complete the transaction here that you need to let me show you example what you need to follow. So this is a Roblox, you can use the Steam, but I'm showing you the example. You go on to the cart first. So here you can see that. Let me go on to the cart first and proceed to checkout. And once you are here you can see an option of enter a gift card, voucher or promotional code. So you need to add the Amazon gift card here and click on apply and complete that purchase. Once you complete that step you need to go back, and once you complete the purchase then you need to come on to the Steam. So on the Steam you simply need to click on your name and go on to the account details. So once you are here you can see an option of add funds to your Steam wallet. Click on that option and here you can see two options, redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Click on that option and here you need to add the code and click on continue, and then you have a wallet balance here. Then you need to go on to your cart and I want to purchase this. Then you need to click on purchase for myself, and then here you can see an option of PayPal. So you simply need to scroll down here and here you need to select the wallet balance. Currently I do not add, but here you can see an option of wallet balance. You simply need to select that and click on continue and you can complete your purchase. So this is the process how you can buy Steam games with Amazon gift card. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.